Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Crypto.com wire transfer receipt details directly inside the app, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to find wire transfer receipt details on the Crypto.com app. First, open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu button in the top left corner. Next, tap on Fiat Wallet. This is where all of your cash balances and banking options are located. Inside your Fiat Wallet, select the fiat currency you want to receive by wire transfer, such as USD or your local currency. After selecting the currency, tap on Deposit. Then choose Wire Transfer as the deposit method. You'll now see your wire transfer receipt details on the screen. This includes the bank name, account number, routing number or SWIFT code, and any reference information you need to include when setting up the wire transfer. Entering the correct reference information is especially important to ensure the funds are credited to your Crypto.com account. And that's it. Once the wire transfer is sent, your funds will be deposited into your Crypto.com Fiat wallet after the processing time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Crypto.com tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions or want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.